ng isang linggo, walang tulugan, iprepresenta po namin anywhere, anytime, any place. In fact, Mr. Chairman, may dala na po kami. Kung gusto nilang makita ang ebidensya, ito po, dala namin. Mr. Chairman, have an account in other parts of the world?
That is none of your business.
No, it is the Filipino people's business.
$10 billion ang nanakaw nung panahon nila. 205 million po, pork barrel po yon ng hindi ng tatay niya pero siya.
Kung may ebidensya man kontra sa akin, alam natin gagamitin po ng pamahalang ito dahil
Anong forma ang team pinagsasabi mo? Ikaw hindi pumorma dito. Mali. Nasabihan niya ako na hindi ako papaporma yun. Ganito na ba tayo? Sabihan mo ako. Sabihan mo ako, hindi mo ako papaporma dito.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I made my point. There's no such thing as 23 billion sa
Paulit-ulit na tayo.
DPWH.
Kanina
Thank you,
pa
Mr.
na
Chairman.
21.7 billion. Kabuang Kanaday. Tapusin natin na maayos to. Senado to ng Pilipinas, hindi to palengke.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa, let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards
China. It's about decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no, no, no.
President.
But I saw the video wherein you're saying 2-star, ako na nagdedesisyon, I will not allow VP Sara in. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hindi ba siya anak? Ang nakalagay dito, the person's immediate family shall include his or her spouse, fiancé, parent or child, brother, sister, grandparent, grandchild, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, etc.
Pero si Erwin at si Rafi, paano ko rerespetuhin ko? Paano ko rerespetuhin? Di ba, alam ko kung sino kayo, anong ginagawa nyo, alam ko kung anong hawak sa inyo. Tapos araw-arawin nyo ako sa media. Magdebate tayo, sabihin nyo yung topic, yung debate ng katotohanan, debate ng flood control, debate ng contractor.
Quite exhaustive yung sinabi ni NBI Director about the Southeast Asian Games. So if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect. May 11, hinabol dito sa session hall na to ng mga ahente ng NBI si Senator Bato. May 13, nagkaroon ng enkwentro, putukan, pinipilit ng NBI na hindi sa loob ng Senado, but we have all the evidence that it was inside the Senate.
So, ito po
Sir
may
Chair, magkaiba po yung personal knowledge at yung kwento.
Okay
Hindi
po.
po personal
Pero,
knowledge yun.
alright,
So
I'm not
we're lawyers here, so we
discussing-
have to make that
I am
diba?
not a lawyer,
Yeah.
Mr. Chair,
Yeah,
pero ang
but
sinasabi
this is a
ko
legal
po,
matter, so we have to be
hindi lang
clear
po
about
ito
it.
disacto,
Yes, but
wala
Senator
po
Risa,
kayo.
if I
Mr.
go
Chair,
here
if I
and
just go-
say, I
Mr.
go here and say na kwento ng mga tao tungkol kay Risa, magre-react ka eh.
Mr.
Career to ng mga taga-DFA, hindi
Mr.
pwedeng
Chair,
chismis or
no,
hearsay ang gagawin natin dito.
Doon ako
Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano should resign as he has shown that he cannot function as the leader of the Senate anymore. Thank you.